welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get these beach waves. So simple, no heat at all, absolutely none, and barely any hair products. You don't even need to use hair products at all, but it would probably just ensure that it stays a little bit longer like this, but you really don't need to. I only use dry shampoo and you don't even need that. And the other thing you could use is like hairspray, but that's it. All you have to do is put your hair in those braids and sleep in it, and that's it. Take it out in the morning. I had mine in for about like 24 hours. You don't need to keep it in that long, but obviously the longer you keep it in, the more definition of the wave there's going to be. So I mean, it's really up to you and like what you want your hair to look like this for. Usually I'll just like keep it in for a day and then take it out and wear my hair like this for a day, and then I'll wash it. I love wearing my hair like this. I think it's just like super simple but like really pretty, and I wish my hair was naturally like this, but it's not. So if you like this video, if you like how simple this hairstyle is and how simple it is to get, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. Just get right into the video. Okay, so I've been in these braids all day, all night. I slept in them yesterday, so I've had them in for about 24 hours now. You do not have to keep them in this long. I just have, because I was just busy earlier today, so I didn't get a chance to film what it's like taking them out and stuff. I'm going to take my braids out now and show you what my hair looks like. Okay, this is what my hair looks like out of the braids, and I'll usually put dry shampoo in my hair even though it's not greasy, even if it's not greasy, just to give it some more volume. Yeah, this is what the waves usually look like. Obviously the longer you keep it in the braids, the more defined the waves will be. I like to keep it in longer because if I don't keep it in long enough, it just kind of looks flat and like sad. If you want to, you can also put like oil throughout your hair to make it look like shinier or to like tone it down a bit. Usually I would just leave my hair like this. Sometimes I'll like flip it over and like play with it and stuff. You could also put it like half up, half down if it's too poofy for you. So easy. Literally all you have to do is sleep in braids like that. You could even take it out right when you wake up in the morning and have your hair like be like this like all day. You can also put some hairspray in it too to make it stay like extra. I don't usually do that and my hair stays fine, but I hope you like how it turned out. I hope you like how it looks also. I love how my hair looks when I leave it like this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.